Introducing the Emerald Studs Arouser, a soft and flexible penis-shaped jelly dong with 10 incredible functions of vibration, pulsation, and escalation. This glittery green vibrating jelly stimulator is 7 inches long and 1 3/4 inches wide. It is made from phthalate-free, safe and pure PVC with a durable plastic end cap. Your Emerald Studs moves with you and is perfect for penetration and stimulation on all parts of your body. The textured nubs can be used to stimulate your clitoris too. It's easy to use. The Easy Touch controls are located on the bottom of the end cap. Just press the control button with the circle symbol to power on and off your vibe. Press the control button with the arrow symbols to access the 10 sensational functions. The state-of-the-art memory chip resumes the last function used. This jelly dong uses 2 AA batteries and is also waterproof for fun in and out of the water. To increase your pleasure, be sure to use a quality lube like California Exotic Novelties Universal Lube. And don't forget to clean your amazing Emerald Studs with California Exotic Novelties Universal Toy Cleaner. Enjoy the wet and wild ride of the Emerald Studs Arouser.